To install the intake manifold, begin by lowering it into the hull. Connect the oil pressure switch connector. Insert the two slots on the bottom of the intake manifold into the rubber grommets attached to the engine. Align and insert the dipstick tube into position. Install and torque the 7 intake manifold bolts. Insert the injectors into the intake manifold. Secure the fuel rail with the 2 bolts. Reconnect the fuel line to the end of the fuel rail. Reconnect all of the connectors, including the stick coils and injectors. Be sure to install zip ties in the correct positions. Neatly trim the zip tie ends. Reattach the ECM to the manifold bracket. Finally, reconnect the ECM connectors.